Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to share your Apple Music subscription to your family group? In this video, I will show you how to set this up on your iPhone. Let's go. By default, all of your members are automatically granted shared access to your subscriptions provided that you've already set up family sharing on your device. However, if it doesn't work for whatever reason, there is a way to do it manually. First, open Settings and go to Family. All of the members within your group are listed here. To add another, click the Add button in the top right corner. Keep in mind, though, that you are only allowed to add a maximum of 5 individual Apple IDs. Now go to Subscriptions to see your shared premium services. Next, tap on Manage Subscriptions and make sure that Share with Family is activated. Remember that only eligible subscriptions are shared automatically. Therefore, if you want to share your Apple Music membership, make sure that you are registered to their family plan. Any other type of plan cannot be shared. To upgrade, you can either do it within the settings or subscribe directly from the Apple Music app. For your additional information, if they join your family group, any existing Apple Music subscriptions held by any members will immediately be canceled on the due date. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.